A couple weeks ago, I placed an order at TEMU, just a small order. Well, the package arrived today. Let's go see what I got. All right, the first thing I got in my package was these little snippy snips, little thread snips. They seem to be pretty sharp. They were like 17 cents, so I think that's a great deal. The next thing that I got is this. It's a 60-degree equilateral triangle. I've been wanting one of these for a while. About a year ago, I found a pattern in the thrift store, and it requires this ruler. I'll post the prices for all of these things in the description. The next thing that I got is some clips. These work great. I thought I broke it. Didn't. Still working. These work great instead of pins. Sometimes you don't want to use a pin. I'm going to be making a vinyl candy bag soon, and these will be great because I don't want to put pinholes in my vinyl. So the next thing I got is a bowl cozy template. Here it is. It came in, it's got two sizes, the small, the large. The instructions are written on the template, which I think is great. Unfortunately, it arrived cracked. All these items came in just this bag, this kind of flimsy bag, so it doesn't really surprise me that this broke. I reached out to TEMU and they gave me a refund and told me to keep it, so that's a nice bonus. Okay, the last item is the whole reason that I made the order in the first place. And here they are. It's a lot smaller than I expected. I'm still excited to try it. It is a bunny. This came with the pieces and some printed instructions. It does not say in these instructions how big the bunny's going to be. It kind of shows a picture at the end, and he looks a little bit more like a dog to me. But we will try, we will see what happens. So that's it. It was a small order. I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. If there's something on TEMU that you ordered that worked out great, please leave it in the comments below. And that's it. That's my video. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button.